In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently access and customize reports in your accounting software, making sure you can find exactly what you need with ease. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's begin by navigating to the Reports section. From your dashboard, you'll want to look to the left-hand menu where you'll see an option labeled Reports. Clicking on this will open up a new page that showcases all the available reports, conveniently categorized for your benefit. These categories might include business overview, sales, taxes, and more, depending on your specific software. This categorization helps to streamline your search, making it much quicker to hone in on the type of information you need. Next, it's time to select the report that you want to work with. You have two main options here. You can either browse through the categories manually, or you can use the search bar located at the top of the page for a more direct approach. Let's say you're interested in viewing the profit and loss report, or perhaps the sales by item report. Simply type the report name into the search bar or located in the relevant category, and click to select. This interface often mimics the intuitive search functionalities seen in other digital platforms, ensuring you can find your desired report effortlessly. Once you've pinpointed the report you're after, the next important step is to customize it according to your specific needs. Customization is a powerful feature because it allows you to tailor the data so it's relevant to your analysis. Start by selecting the time period for which you want the report to be generated. You could choose options like the current month, last year, or even set a custom date range that fits your particular requirements. Additionally, you can apply a range of other filters to refine your results further. For instance, you might want to specify the accounting method, whether it's accrual or cash basis, depending on your accounting practices. Other possible filters include specific accounts, departments, or other variables to ensure the report aligns perfectly with your needs. With your chosen parameters in place, the final step is to generate the report. This is done by clicking the Run Report button, which is typically a distinct, easy-to-spot feature on your page. Once you hit that button, you'll be presented with your fully customized report, complete with all the data you've specified. At this point, you can review your results, print them for your records, or even share them as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on navigating and customizing reports within your accounting software. This process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring even those who are new to the platform can extract meaningful insights with minimal hassle. Whether you're doing a quick check-in on sales figures or a thorough review of your business's profitability, these steps have got you covered.